Ice hockey can get pretty rough, so wearing the proper equipment is a must. Hockey gloves protect the forearm, wrist and hand. A good glove has padding in all the right places, but is still lightweight and comfortable. It also has to be flexible, so the player can hold and maneuver the hockey stick well. The covering material of a hockey glove is called the outer shell. It can be made of genuine leather or synthetic leather. There's even a new synthetic material called carbon that's tear-proof, even if slashed by a sharp skate blade. What it's made of is a closely guarded trade secret. One hockey glove is made up of about 30 different parts depending on the model. Workers lay a die in the shape of each part on the outer shell material. A hydraulic press forces it down like a biscuit cutter. Workers then cut foam pieces to line the glove. This low-density foam is stiff enough to provide protection, but flexible enough to enable the player to grip the stick properly. A seamstress now lock stitches the outer shell and foam lining parts together, assembling each section of the glove separately. After finishing the back of the hand, called the back roll, she pieces together the thumb. She sews 3 sides closed. One end stays open so they'll be able to insert more protective foam afterwards. These are the finger pieces. The seamstress uses a tacking machine to sew up the sides and tack the corners for added strength. Again, leaving one end open, the top. Next, the fingers are attached to the base of the glove, using what's called a cylinder arm machine. It has a narrow sewing surface that protrudes, making it easy to access the fingertips. Then come the parts that make up the palm and the piece that goes between the fingers and the palm, unfortunately titled the gusset. Just as before, workers cut the parts using a die. The palm and gusset can be made of high-end synthetic suede or leather, or even genuine leather. The advantage of real leather is that it can be treated with an antibacterial product that combats odour caused by the hands sweating inside the glove. Again, the seamstress uses the cylinder arm machine to sew the palm to the glove base, which already has the fingers attached. Next, the glove goes onto a machine that's custom made for the hockey glove industry. Using air pressure to power a piston, it injects pieces of high-density foam padding into the open end of the fingers. High-density foam is rock hard, so it provides maximum protection. But high-density foam is too stiff to go into the thumb, which needs some flexibility. So instead, an armoured thumb plate is used to protect this most important of digits. A hot forge presses a flat piece of hard plastic onto an aluminium mould in the shape of the plate. Then the plate is wrapped in low-density foam, and using another machine custom-made for this purpose, it is injected into the glove thumb. The lower part of the glove is now complete. A seamstress finishes off the edge with cotton tape. And all that's left to do is assemble and attach the cuff. The standard cuff is about 6 centimeters wide. You can buy the gloves this company produces for retail stores, or order posh, customised gloves with your name embroidered on the cuffs. Professional hockey players have the factory build gloves to their own specifications, making certain adjustments that they feel give them an advantage on the ice. The most important part of the glove is the palm, which endures the most wear and tear. The sturdier the palm material, the longer the glove will last. But at the same time, the palm padding can't be too thick, as this would make the glove uncomfortable to wear. So now, it's safe to take to the ice. Handy, eh?